If a new online investment platform should come out right now, I will definitely join. And these are the tips I have been using for a very long time now that is earning me massive amount of money in online space without losing anything right now. So welcome back to my channel, and this is Apion Plug. So I'm going to be giving you the tips right now. If I hit the subscribe button, just go ahead to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell icon for you to get notified when I drop new videos about online investment platforms. So without wasting much of our time, let's go straight into the video. So the first tips I'm going to be sharing right now is actually joining the platform very early. So you might be wondering, how are you going to know if the platform is actually out and right there? These are ways to know, because platform actually reach out to YouTubers to actually make videos about them. So you need to get subscribed to any of a YouTube platform that is actually talking about online investment platform just like this. So when we make videos about this for the very first time, you should join immediately so that we can all benefit from it. Many people actually join platform after 1 week of being launched, 2 weeks and thereabout. But from my experience on online investment platform currently lasts for about 2 to 3 months. Maximum is actually 4 months that they last right now. So all you need to do right now is immediately you get the notification for a video of an online investment platform. If you actually want to invest, those are the very best time to actually join. Immediately you actually get the notification for the video, then you join in the very first week to the platform, so you can actually benefit. Because if you join in the very first week, the very first month is still going to be existing. They are going to be actually getting more member into the platform. Then you've joined already and are going to start making your money. So you're going to make in your capital back very early. So after making your capital back, the second month is when you're actually going to be making your profits from the investment platform. Then after that, you start waiting for a day for them to crash, because they will surely crash right now. So the second tip I'm going to be sharing to you right now is actually investing a certain amount of money into an online investment platform. So there's a particular way online investment platform like all the sponsor scheme actually come ahead to plan their online investment platform right now. They will actually bring a plan right there. So I'm going to be using Fire VIP and an example that just crashed not quite long. So they are going to be coming ahead and giving you some plans to actually join. And if you actually go for the lowest plan, you won't earn more. If you go for the higher plan, you will earn more profit. So this is where the risk actually comes in. So if you join very early into this platform, you can actually take the risk to go ahead to input high amounts of money. Okay, I'm not saying you should input high amount of money. You need to be able to put in the amount you can afford to lose. Get this right, and do not borrow to invest into online investment platform. So once the platform actually comes out right now, let's assume the platform is actually having like Fire VIP having 4,000, 60,000, I think 40,000 and thereabouts. So if you want to earn more from this platform, you can actually start basically from either 16 or 40,000 naira and thereabouts. Because if you actually start with about 40,000 naira, you are going to be getting from them, you are going to be getting about, I think, 2,000 naira per day thereabouts. So those 2,000 naira per day in the very first month, you are going to get your capital back. Then the second month is when you're going to be getting your profit and be waiting for them to actually crash. So if you actually input about 4,000 naira, I think you're going to be getting 200 naira, 2,000, no, 200 naira per day actually. So if you're getting 200 naira per day, it actually takes you a very long time to actually accumulate your capital before you start thinking of taking profit. So that is how they do right now. So you need to have this at the back of your mind and get prepared about the platform you actually want to join. So the third tips I'm going to be sharing right now is not to be greedy. Greediness is one of the reasons why many people are actually losing their money into online investment platform, because many people actually join early and investing high amount of money, but when they see that they actually get profit from it, they really want to input new amount of money and go in, and that is where the risk actually comes in, because that is actually not a smart risk. Because in online investment platform, you need to be able to take a very smart risk right now. So you need to be satisfied with any amount you've actually made from the platform for you not to lose in your money in full, because it will be painful for you to actually losing your money after you've been getting a lot of money before. Then you actually lose everything again into the platform. That's a waste of time and energy. So new updates are going to be coming up very soon, and to get notified you can just go ahead to hit on the red subscription button and turn on the notification bell icon. It is actually very free to join. I have Telegram channel and I have WhatsApp group right now, so just go ahead to join also for you to get more updates. So the fourth tips I'm going to be sharing right now is what I've said not quite long about, actually being connected to a source or a group right now. So you need to be in a group or a source for you to get updates about what is going on about online investment platform right now. So I think this particular tip that I've shared right now will actually going to benefit you and not to lose in online investment platform in any platform that is going to be coming out very soon. So do not forget to smash on the subscription button and turn on the notification bell icon. I'll be dropping more updates again.